Sanur kiriu pau khamat kila rung cheka seng Congress haka khandru tereng unai lur arja arpoi. Kini kilong uba RG Lingdo MLA Berim Kalaim Kra, uba PNCM MLA Berim Kamau Sinram, Dr. Finella Nonglait Kertong Balai Khun Namo That Rashan, ba M1 Swet Kertong Balai Khun Nashela, baruba Adrian Milim Ubalai Khun Nasora. Yagini lapriang skong baha ke jelang kabi isongshit baha joko Congress ha Haiga Hotel Shillong ha kabalai don lang u President Bethamai ke MPCC uba Vincent H Pala u President Berim u Dr. C Lingdo ke MLA ke MDC bar kiwe ki khot joko seng uba RG Lingdo ha bakran ha ke jelang ulong ka Congress kadon ha kalinti ban le baha ke election arja arpulai bar kan yoru ye ke jimbun pat na ne ke absolute majority Ulong ru bo rong biang che kasain perthei na mar bo yo iya ke jing trat ke senchar ka khadar ke jisha le ben ki pai ba ban bon ki jinge Ulong ru ba Congress ka satlat na mar bakadon ki ngelam ki bam kwa ba ki weiru ken ki kum ki ngelam hindrei ke jingwan ba pala ku ngelam ungei bakandon ke jingkala.
One of the reasons why perhaps this party doesn't have a second line of command, so to say, is because whoever is in command is more interested in getting rid of the competition than in encouraging the second line of command. Let's call a spade a spade. I think when Robinson came and talked to me, I could see that at least here is a team player. A man who will consult, a man who will work with others. And I think that is what we need in order to sweep 2023. I firmly believe that we can get absolute majority in 2023. But we have to stop pulling the carpets from each other's feet and we have to work together as a team.
Adin bang apa yang julong jong constitutional state baru apa? You don't come the alternative government. Karang very strong. Yang apa yang baru pilihan the only party to come to power in 2020 to bring a change is only Congress party.
Possibility bukan untuk memilih maksudnya clarify kata.
Kan nomor bangsa apa bentuk? Ngatrai negara parti kan kampai je bentuk. Till now.
Baik Pak Muslim lagi bidang tak
kami yang Muslim mau dimut sih nomor badin mengajak MDC nama kar bentor masuk ba ngalong terus berkiru kenang tahu sim di belum Muslim mar bentor masuk di UI kita nggak bisa ini
clearance ba pala murah aja lah lor ka program juga untuk semua jadi
Berangkat mentah kembangan masuk dia semua berjaya juga benar-benar. Kalau kita bersang juga boleh ban. Nak kesan Kongres. Terjadi kerja seperti cuma pelaku presiden. Baru di skam dari tentang skam kita parti.